Hello everyone. So today's video is about which books to refer in your first year of BHMS, the best books to crack first year in your first attempt, the books that I used during my first year and the books you must know about. You may find it difficult to choose which books to refer, but I have a very simplified explanation for all the books which will help you for choosing yours. So myself Shweta Anande and I am studying in second year BHMS. Welcome you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that like button and also press that bell icon to get first notification of my videos for you. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I have given you all the subjects from first to final year. If you haven't seen that video, here's the link for it in the I button. Go and watch that first. So the subjects for you in your first year are anatomy, physiology including biochemistry and homeopathic pharmacy. So we will see all the books regarding these three subjects. The first one is anatomy, for which we have two authors book, that is B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh's. Let's first see about the BD Chaurasia. The BD Chaurasia having four volumes, in which the first volume includes upper limb and thorax. The second volume includes lower limb, abdomen, and pelvis. The third volume includes head, neck, and fourth the brain neuroanatomy. This is the most liked and widely used book for anatomy by most of the medicos, and the language of this book is very easy to understand. The pictures are good and given in descriptive manner. You should go for this one. The next is Vishram Singh's. It is in the three volumes. The first volume consists of upper limb and thorax. The second volume consists of abdomen and lower limb, and the third volume consists of head, neck, and brain. This book is also having a very nice presentation of content with a good explanation of clinical cases after every topic in a chapter. Personally, I have done my preparations from both of these two authors' book, that is B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh's, and I have scored 144 out of 200 in theory examinations of anatomy. So the green signal for these two books, that is B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh for anatomy. Let's see for the physiology. The physiology including biochemistry has three main books, that is first one is Guyton and Hall, second one Chatterjee, and third one is Sembulingam. So let's talk about the first one, Guyton and Hall. This is the golden book for physiology which is used worldwide by students. The book having all the minute description about every little thing of physiology. I would suggest you to keep this book as a reference book, or reference material, the book for your knowledge or extra knowledge. Okay, for your academics you should go for the Chatterjee and Semulingam. So what is given in Chatterjee? So for Chatterjee, I would say it is a more detailed book after the Semulingam, and much of details are given. You may find the language of this book little bit hard, but all over it's a good book. Now third is our Semulingam, the number one choice of all the students for theory preparation with very easy language for understanding. I would say this is the Bible or the holy book for our physiology, that one must go through it. It is having all the chapters well explained with good figures and concept map. I have personally used the Semulingam and Chatterjee, and about the Guyton I kept it as a reference purpose. Okay. So this was all about your physiology, that is Guyton and Hall, Chatterjee, and Semulingam. So for your academics, you must go for Semulingam first, then Chatterjee, and for the detailed and minute knowledge, you must go for Guyton and Hall. Now comes the homeopathic pharmacy, the easiest subject that I liked most during my first year, for which I would recommend you to have two books, that is Mandal and Mandal and D.D. Banerjee. First one, that is Mandal and Mandal. This is the old is gold book for pharmacy. All you need to know is given in this book. You must refer this book for your academics. The language is superb, well explained and easy to understand. Okay. The next one is D.D. Banerjee. If you want more extended version of Mandal and Mandal, you will find in this book. Again, a very easy and simplified book. Personally, I have referred D.D. Banerjee more than the Mandal and Mandal, but these two both are very good. So this is all about your prime and important books, that is homeopathic pharmacy, Mandal and Mandal, D.D. Banerjee. Then your physiology, including biochemistry, Gatton and Hall, Chatterjee and Semulingam. And for your anatomy, B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh. Okay. Now, now there are some books for histology and embryology, like for histology you have Lippincott's histology, then BRS histology and JP. For embryology you have the book of medical embryology by Dr. Karsane and the Langman's textbook of embryology. Personally, I would recommend that you really need not to take all these books. The required material for histology and embryology is given in your BD Chaurasia and Vishram Singh volume. So you can skip this book, or if you want it in more detail rather than these books, go for the handbook of anatomy. It will be better. In previous video, I have talked about the strategy to qualify summer 2021 university exam for those who have one subject back, and I have given 33 days plan. For rest of the students, it's a golden opportunity that lockdown is extended, so you have more days in your hands. Follow the same strategy and qualify with flying marks. In next video, I'll be talking about how to study in your first year. So stay tuned, stay healthy, keep learning, always dare to be wise. Like, share and subscribe.